And it's time for Dollar General's 5 off of 25 Monday through Friday deal, guys. Let's get to it quick and easy. You're going to pick up one of the Colgate Optic Whites at $3.25. I'm not going to get this box, it's busted. 2 Axe body wash at $5.50 each. It's a $5 off 2 coupon. 2 Axe deodorants at $5.75 each. It is a $7.50 off 2 coupon. Very high valued, okay? So let's get to it now. First and foremost coupon that we're talking about that is actually not as high as one of them. This is the 5 off of 25 Monday through Friday coupon that we will be using on starting Monday through Friday, okay? So let's get to that and then start scanning. So we're going to scan our Colgate is $3.25. Remember, they gave us a $2 off 1 coupon, making that $1.25. Then our Axe is $5.50, and they gave us a $5 off 2 coupon. That is the body wash. And then we're gonna do the Axe deodorant at $5.75, and look at that coupon, guys, $7.50 off of 2. Very high value. Please do not let that coupon expire on you. We're gonna do $3.25 for the Colgate, $5.50 for each body wash, and then $5.75 for each deodorant. Take us to $25.75. You're going to take your 5 off 25 first. You're going to take your $2 off the Colgate. You're going to take your 5 off the Axe body wash and take your $7.50 off of the Axe deodorant. Take you to $6.25. Divide that by 5 products, $1.25. So my takeaway actually is not even deodorant, it's the body wash for $1.25, guys. So that is an awesome deal. Make sure, guys, that when you're doing these, look at your expiration dates, because what you want to make sure of is that you don't let that coupon expire. Those coupons are good Monday through Friday and Saturday. These deals are good Monday through Friday and Saturday. So let's get on to the next one. Okay, guys, we're going to come and do this deal right here. Now, I'm going to tell you in a minute why I have this. You're going to pick up one Crest 3D White Stain Remover at $9. It's a $4 coupon. You're going to pick up one Hello Toothpaste at $5.35. It is a $2 coupon. Then you're going to pick up one Colgate Optic White with charcoal 4.2 ounce. It's $6.35. It is a $3 coupon. And then you're going to pick up one Colgate at $3.25. It is a $2 coupon, okay? We're going to scan every one of them. Then you're going to come to the dollar aisle. You're going to pick up one of these Huggies right here, okay? And they are for $1. Okay, let's scan the Crest Brilliance. The Brilliance is $9. You have 2 coupons actually, but we're going to concentrate on the $4 coupon. Then you're going to scan the Hello. The Hello is $5.35, and we have a $2 coupon. Then the Crest, the Colgate Optic White Charcoal at 4.2 ounces, $6.35. You have a $3 coupon, and we already know that the other toothpaste is a $2 coupon. Let's do the math. $9 for the Brilliance, $5.35 for the Hello, $6.35 for the Colgate with charcoal, and then $3.25 for the Colgate Optic White, and then $1 for the Huggies. And I'm going to scan it. Takes you to $24.95. Put 5 cents on there. $25 even. Let's scan the diapers. Okay. And they are $1. No coupon, okay? 25. Take here. Let's start our coupons. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off the Colgate. Take your 2 off the Hello. Take your 3 off the charcoal, and take your 4 off of the Brilliance. Leave you at $9. Divide that by 5 products. You're going to pay $1.80. This is why I asked you to pick it up. We have 5 off 25s going on all this week. They have up to $5 in coupons in this pack of $1 Huggies, guys. I used to do it all the time when my babies were little. I would come to the dollar aisle, pick up these, get the coupons out, and then go use my 5 off 25 and buy a bigger pack of diapers. that is what you're going to do, because guess what, guys, we're in a recession, but we're not going to let the recession beat us. And not only can you have to do this one, if you don't use Huggies, you can always do Loves. They have $3 worth of coupons inside. Okay, so not only, guys, I want to teach you how to save, but I also want to teach you how to go to a cheaper aisle, grab something with a coupon in it, and use that also. Now, don't forget, you can do an awesome tissue deal. You have the $1 off on the Cottonelle that makes it $4. That's a $1 coupon off on 4-pack. You also, guys, have the $1 coupon off on the Scott. Now, that's on the 5-pack. It's a $1 coupon right here. I scanned it, $5, $1 coupon. Now, I do think it also works on this one. That's $3.75. Let's see, $3.50. $1 coupon off on that one. So you can also add in the diapers. You can add in the tissue paper towel. You can add in any little fillers, add them in. I want to come over here to the shampoo aisle because I want to show you guys something weird. I scanned the Aussie is $5, right? Here we go. Aussie shampoo is $5. Open the coupon up. Now you see it, $5 off 2 Aussies. Go all the way down. Look at that. That is the Suave Coconut Oil Infusion Damage Repair Shampoo, 12.6 ounces. They don't have it. Because if that connects, then that means you're going to get 1 free plus a money maker. But I don't see it. Okay, it is here, but it's not separate. There it is. But we want it in a single. Make sure you always look up at the top on their Sky Chefs, because they usually have it here also. But I just ran across that, so be looking for that, guys. If so, that's a nice freebie and moneymaker right there. Old store moneymaker, new store free, and it'll go on to whatever else deal you're doing, which can be that 5 off 25. So be on the lookout for that. Oh, what's this? This is on clearance. Oh, those are cute. Oh, wow. That's cute. Okay. And I'm trying to figure out, I thought the seasonal clearance started on Friday, but he said it was going on now. So what I showed you was seasonal clearance going on, okay? And they still got that buy one, get one 50% off on their items, okay? So just watch what is going on. Seasonal clearance is going on right now. So that means all the summer, spring, summer, all of that, they're trying to get out. All right? Thanks, guys. Bye.